Hello, Cameron Schutte here, Product Marketing Manager at Salesloft. We're nearing the end of 2023, and it just doesn't feel right to keep saying the profession of sales is evolving. It has evolved. And at Salesloft, we don't think it's enough to keep up with the pace. We set the pace. And I'm excited to share with you a few of the ways we're doing just that. Here are some of the releases coming to your Salesloft platform this fall that optimize the way revenue teams work together. Salesloft Mobile is available on Android. Sellers, we know that you're constantly on the go, but that shouldn't stop you from staying in touch with customers and keeping things moving while you're away from your desk. Salesloft Mobile is on Android and iOS, so that everyone on your team can use the app. And to make the mobile experience as seamless as possible, you can use it in your preferred language, and it syncs to the dark mode settings on your phone. If you're a Salesloft customer, pause this video right now and go download the app. In June, we released Rhythm and gave every seller AI-powered prioritized workflows to help them hit their number. Now, we're giving you even more flexibility to customize your Rhythm workflows to fit the way your revenue team runs. We've got new integrations and play frameworks with more of your favorite sales tools so you can scale best practices and make the most of the data in your tech stack. And to take it one step further, you can create as many plays as you want across different roles like SDRs, AEs, and customer success, and new reports to see what's working and what isn't. This fall, we're uncovering deeper insights from your sales conversations with Tracker Trends. Tracker Trends will make connections across conversations and visualize patterns so you can identify underlying problems and areas of opportunity. Are buyers mentioning a competitor more often? Do you have unmet customer needs? Where do your reps need more coaching? From sales managers and sales enablement, marketing and product, there's a wealth of information to uncover. We've got a little sales love for our admins and RevOps leaders, new features like user impersonation, scheduled imports from Salesforce, and one page to manage your team's goals make managing Salesloft a breeze. And we're improving our Salesforce sync to support activities that are shared by multiple contacts so you can report on a more complete picture of your customer journey. And there's more where that came from. Check out salesloft.com for more details on our current releases and what we're working on for 2024.